नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Aethula Synovium Medicine, Part 1. Common name, fool's parsley. The characteristic symptoms relate mainly to the brain and nervous system connected with gastrointestinal disturbance, anguish, crying, and expression of uneasiness and discontent lead to this remedy most frequently in disease in children during dentition. Summer complaints when with the diarrhea there is marked inability to digest milk and poor circulation. Symptoms set in with violence, mind symptom, restless, anxious, crying, see rats, cat, dog, etc. Unconscious, delirious, inability to think, to fix the attention, brain fag, idiocy, may alternate with furor and irritability, head symptom, feels bound up or in a vise, occipital pain, extending down spine, better lying down and by pressure, head symptoms relieved by expelling flatus and by stool, hair feels pulled, vertigo with drowsiness, with palpitation, head hot after vertigo ceases, eye symptom, photophobia, swelling of meibomian glands, rolling of eyes on falling asleep, eyes drawn downward, pupils dilated, ears feel obstructed, sense of something hot from ear, hissing sound, nose symptom, top up with much thick mucus, herpetic eruption on tip of nose, frequent ineffectual desire to sneeze, face puffed, red spotted, collapsed, expression anxious, full of pain, linea nasalis marked, mouth dry, apathy, tongue seems too long, burning and pustule in throat with difficult swallowing, stomach intolerance of milk, vomiting as soon as swallowed or in large curds, hungry after vomiting, regurgitation of food about an hour after eating, violent vomiting of a white frothy matter, nausea at sight of food, painful contraction of stomach, vomiting with sweat and great weakness, accompanied by anguish and distress, followed by sleepiness, stomach feels turned upside down with burning filling up to chest, tearing pains in the stomach extending to esophagus, abdomen, cold internal and external, with aching pain in bowels, colic followed by vomiting, vertigo and weakness, tense, inflated and sensitive, bubbling sensation around navel. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.